Want to execute your trades faster than ever before on Pocket Option? Let's unlock your trading speed. First, master the art of quicker execution by understanding the power of your keyboard instead of relying solely on your mouse for every buy and sell order. Familiarize yourself with these crucial hotkeys on Pocket Option. Typically, the Enter key or sometimes specific number keys can be assigned for instant trade execution. Practice this so the action becomes muscle memory. Next, let's optimize your chart setup for rapid analysis. Efficiently switching between various time frames is key. Learn to quickly select your preferred time frames, whether it's 1 minute, 5 minute, or hourly charts. Using built-in platform shortcuts or by assigning custom ones if available, streamline your indicator displays. Too many can slow down your decision-making. Focus on 1 or 2 core indicators that you understand deeply and can interpret at a glance. Speed isn't just about clicking fast. It's about making good decisions fast before you even start trading an asset. Have your strategy and your risk management clearly defined. Know your profit targets and stop-loss levels in advance. On Pocket Option, you can often preset your investment amounts, saving precious seconds when a trading signal appears. Avoid overthinking. Trust your prepared strategy and execute decisively. By integrating keyboard shortcuts, optimizing your chart presentation, and honing your rapid decision-making, you're on your way to significantly boosting your trading speed and efficiency on Pocket Option. Practice these techniques consistently and watch your performance accelerate.